So let's just talk about lambda or anonymous function in Python. So normally in Python, we can define one function using the def keyword followed by the name of the function like square, and it can take parameters, and then inside the body of the function we can return the square of that number. So this is the normal approach where we can define the function with a name. But suppose in a case where the function is very simple and we just need to use that function only once, so in that case defining the function with a name and writing all of this syntax is really unnecessary. So the solution is the lambda or the anonymous function. So the anonymous function means we can create function without any name. So the syntax of the anonymous function is, first of all we use the lambda keyword followed by the arguments that we wanted to pass to that function, and after the colon we write the body or expression of that function. Now because functions in Python are object, so we should assign them to some variables and then we can call this anonymous function using that variable. So here we can pass some argument, and this way we can call our lambda or anonymous function. So the anonymous functions can take multiple arguments, but it will have only one expression. So let's just create one lambda or anonymous function in Python. So let's just define one function. So we're gonna have the lambda keyword. So let's just find square of a number. So the function will take one argument and then it will return the square of that number. So this is our anonymous function without any name. Now to call the function we have to use this variable, and then here we can pass the arguments like 10. Now here we can directly print the result, and here you can see the square of the number 10 is 100. And similarly also we can define an anonymous function which can take multiple arguments. So let's just define another function. So this will be lambda function, and it will take two arguments a and b, and it will return the addition of those two numbers. And then we can call this, and here we can pass the numbers like 1 and 2. So we can directly print this right here, and you can see the result is 3. So this way the lambda functions are very useful for single use and simple operations. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.